Alright guys, May here with another quick video. Today I wanted to show you my Bernie Bunny toaster tongs. I was looking for some fun kitchen gadgets and I couldn't resist picking this one up while I was at it. I mean, who doesn't love a cute bunny kitchen gadget to make everyday meal prep fun and exciting? His name is Bernie, and his long bunny ears are really helpful when trying to pull out toast from the toaster. I love that it protects my hands from getting burned when I'm pulling toast out, and it also works very well with my kids who are always eager to help in the kitchen. But as a mom, I'm always wanting to teach them how to be cautious while working around the kitchen. So this gadget really helps them feel like they are involved in meal prep without getting hurt. We've also used Bernie to help pick up snacks or fruits as well. You could even use it to move food around in the pan while cooking so they cook evenly, or even as a serving utensil for parties if you wanted to. Basically, any food item that needs picking up with a comfortable and secure grip, Bernie can come to the rescue. Overall, we really like this multi-purpose gadget and look forward to find even more ways that we can use it. Imagine how cute it would be to have Bernie on the Easter dinner table as a decorative serving utensil. If you are in the market for a cute and fun kitchen gadget for many different purposes, either for your kitchen or even as a fun gift, make sure to take a look at this Bernie Bunny toaster tong.